Welcome to Algovedas, where trading meets logic, precision, and intelligent design. This isn't just another indicator. It's a system that reads the market with discipline and responds with purpose. And in this video, we're going to walk through the various settings and functionalities of the Algovedas TDAF signal engine, so you can truly understand how it thinks and how to make it work for you. Most traders don't lose because they're wrong. They lose because they act too early or too late. What if your system only acted when logic was fully aligned? Let's start with the heart of the system, the engine mode. You get two distinct personalities. First, unidirectional mode. Clean, direct, rule-based. It fires signals strictly based on defined levels. Second, bidirectional state mode. This one thinks. It remembers pivot states, adapts direction, and maintains bias. Like a seasoned trader reading the tape. You're not just switching modes. You're choosing how your system thinks. Behind the scenes, this engine calculates trend force using a normalized momentum model. You control it with trend period, time frame, and here's the kicker. It can read higher time frames internally, meaning your M1 chart can think like H1. That's not multi-time frame. That's multi-perspective intelligence. Now comes precision, because signals mean nothing if they're noisy. You control that using confirm on close, hysteresis, pivot touchband. Want safe signals? Wait for candle close. Want aggressive entries? Allow intrabar triggers. Hysteresis adds a buffer, so tiny fluctuations don't fool the system. And pivot band? That defines how strict your trigger zones are. You're not adjusting settings. You're tuning behavior. This is where things get serious. The market loves fake breakouts. Price crosses a level. You enter, and boom, reversal. This engine doesn't fall for that. With failed crossguard, it waits. It observes. It confirms commitment. Only then does it fire. And if price betrays the move, it flips the signal instantly. Now, the real power, the CSV level system. You define logic like this: 0.02, 0.05, 0.1-0.2. These are not random numbers. These are decision thresholds. Buy levels, sell levels, close levels, flip levels. Each one represents a zone of action. This is not indicator-based trading. This is logic-based trading. You are literally telling the engine, when the market reaches this state, act. But markets don't stay fixed. They flip, and so does this engine. Flip levels dynamically reverse logic. Buy becomes sell. Sell becomes buy, with cooldowns and delays, to prevent chaos. This is not reactive trading. This is adaptive logic. No overtrading. No noise. You control frequency with recurrence delay. Flip cooldown, meaning no repeated signals, no instant reversals, no emotion and spam. This engine trades like a professional, not like a gambler. Here's something most systems don't have: level intelligence. You can disable levels permanently, or disable them after first use, and reset on zero cross. Why does this matter? Because real traders don't keep hitting the same level again and again. Entries are important, but exits? That's where money is made. This engine uses directional close logic. Above zero downward close, below zero upward close, with cooldowns and rearm logic. It doesn't panic exit, it exits with intention. You are always in control. Two modes: auto mode, fully automated signals; manual mode. You decide using HUD buttons: buy, sell, close. And here's the beauty: even in manual mode, the engine still shows live logic. So you're not blind, you're guided. This is where it becomes powerful beyond MT4. The engine writes signals like this: time, symbol, action, price. And it does it in overwrite mode, meaning always the latest truth. This makes it ready for Telegram bots, trade copiers, automation pipelines. This is not just trading. This is infrastructure. And finally, the HUD, your command center. It shows last signal, live logic, source, active level, mode, Flip state, all in real time. You're not guessing, you're seeing the logic unfold.